Ever stared at your ZenBusiness dashboard, email address staring back, and thought, wait, that's not right anymore? Or maybe you've just launched your new venture, full of entrepreneurial fire, only to realize you accidentally signed up with your old personal email instead of your spiffy new business one? You're not alone. It's a common scenario, and frankly, a bit of a headache if you don't know where to look. After all, your email address is your digital lifeline, the conduit for all those crucial updates, compliance notifications, and even those exciting growth opportunities that ZenBusiness helps you unlock. Imagine this. You've just filed your LLC, a weight lifted, and then bam, you get an email about an important state filing, but it goes to an inbox you rarely check. Or worse, an old email address that's now defunct. Suddenly, that sense of accomplishment is replaced with a mild panic. This isn't just about convenience. It's about staying on top of your business's legal and operational health. ZenBusiness, for all its fantastic services, relies heavily on accurate communication. Miss a critical email and you could be looking at missed deadlines, late fees, or even compliance issues. That's why today, we're tackling a seemingly simple but incredibly vital task: changing your email address on ZenBusiness. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why this might be a more common occurrence than you'd think. Businesses evolve. People change roles. Personal emails become professional ones and vice versa. Perhaps you initially set up your ZenBusiness account with a temporary email, or maybe you've simply upgraded to a more secure or professional domain. Whatever your reason, the ability to seamlessly update your contact information is paramount for maintaining a streamlined and compliant business operation. Think of it as keeping your business's digital address up to date, ensuring all vital mail reaches its intended destination without a single detour. So, how do you navigate the ZenBusiness portal to make this essential update? Well, the good news is it's not a secret labyrinth. ZenBusiness, like many modern online platforms, is designed with user-friendliness in mind, even if some features are a little more tucked away than others. The key is knowing where to click and what to expect. We're going to walk through this step by step, making sure you don't miss a beat. First things first, you'll need to log into your ZenBusiness account. This might sound obvious, but it's the crucial gateway to making any changes. Use your current login credentials. If you've forgotten your password, now's a good time to reset it. Just a quick tip: always use a strong, unique password for your business accounts. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your ZenBusiness services. From your dashboard, your eyes should be scanning for something that resembles Account Settings, Profile, or My Account. These are the typical labels for sections where you can manage your personal and business details. On ZenBusiness, you'll generally find this in the top right corner of the screen, often under your name or a small icon representing your profile. Click on that. This will usually open a drop-down menu or take you to a dedicated settings page. Once you've clicked on your profile or account settings, you're looking for a section related to contact information, personal details, or email address. Sometimes it's directly under account settings. Other times you might need to click one more link, like Edit Profile. Don't be afraid to poke around a little. The layout can sometimes shift slightly with updates to the platform. The goal is to locate the field that displays your current email address. Upon finding your email address, you should see an option to edit, change, or a similar button next to it. Click on this. A new field or a pop-up window will likely appear, prompting you to enter your new email address. This is where you'll carefully type in the updated email you wish to associate with your ZenBusiness account. Double-check for typos. A single misplaced character can lead to communication black holes. After entering your new email address, you'll usually be asked to confirm it by typing it again. This is a standard security measure to ensure accuracy. Once you've confirmed, you'll then need to click a Save Changes, Update, or Submit button. This is crucial. If you navigate away from the page without saving, all your efforts will be in vain. Now, here's an important part that many users overlook: email verification. For security reasons and to ensure that the new email address is indeed yours and active, ZenBusiness will almost certainly send a verification email to your new email address. You must open this email and click on the verification link within it to finalize the change. This step is non-negotiable. Until you verify the new email, your old one might still be the primary contact, or the change might not fully propagate throughout their system. So, head over to your new email inbox. Look for an email from ZenBusiness, often with a subject line like, "Verify your email address," or "Email change confirmation." If you don't see it immediately, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes legitimate emails can end up there. Once you find it, click on the provided link. This link will typically take you back to a ZenBusiness page, confirming that your email has been successfully updated. And just like that, you've done it. Your ZenBusiness account is now linked to your correct, updated email address, ensuring you receive all the important communications without a hitch. But what if you run into a snag? What if you can't find the settings, or the verification email never arrives? Don't panic. ZenBusiness has a dedicated support team for exactly these kinds of situations. You can typically find their contact information, usually a support chat option, a phone number, or an email address, in the footer of their website or within the help or support section of your dashboard. When contacting support, be clear and concise about the issue you're facing. Provide them with your account details and explain that you're trying to change your email address. They are there to guide you through any unexpected roadblocks. It's also worth noting that while changing your primary email for account management is straightforward, if you have specific services or filings linked to a particular email address within ZenBusiness, for example, if you've used a different email for a specific registered agent service, you might need to check those individual service settings as well. However, for general account communications and notifications, updating your primary account email is the key. Regularly reviewing your account information, not just your email, but also your physical address and phone number, is a good practice for any business owner. It ensures that ZenBusiness, and by extension your state and federal agencies, always have the most accurate way to reach you. This proactive approach can save you a lot of headaches down the line, preventing missed deadlines, undelivered mail, and potential compliance issues. So, take a few minutes periodically to log in, give your profile a quick once-over, and make sure everything is shipshape. It's a small investment of time that yields significant peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.